guys, welcome to Coding Smartphone. I'm Dom. In this video I want to show you how to install Lifesaver extension for this mobile based Visual Studio Code and how to use this Lifesaver to preview your HTML code in the browser. So to do that, I'm going to go to the extension tab and install the extension for the Lifesaver. So I've already installed the extension myself, but I'll demonstrate to you on do that. So what here is just tap with the text that type in Lifesaver. So after typing the Lifesaver, you're going to have a bunch of options to choose from. But in this tutorial, we're going to use a specific so we're going to use a specific Lifesaver. So this is the Lifesaver we're going to use. So that is the Lifesaver with the test launch a development. So this is the Lifesaver we're going to use. So as I said earlier, I already have the Lifesaver installed. So to do that is very simple. There's going to be an install button here, as you see. For the rest, if you haven't installed it already, and you just tap on the install and it will get installed. And to make sure that your extension is up and running and ready for preview, you're going to have to press on the settings icon beneath the launch development text and make sure that it is enabled and also enabled for the workspace. And here's a bunch of details about the Lifesaver that you can read from. So now we have our Lifesaver installed, our extension installed successfully. And to start the Lifesaver, I'm going to use this go live text to actually either start the Lifesaver or stop the Lifesaver. So you can just click on it and the Lifesaver will start, or you can click on it after it has started to stop it. So this is the port for the Lifesaver, which is 5501. And to actually display our HTML in the browser, we're going to have to use the browser the app's localhost address. But this time we're going to ignore the port for for this localhost address, because if you add the port, then it's going to take us to the editor itself. But this time we don't want the editor, we want the Lifesaver. So we're just going to use the 127.0.0.1 and we add the port. So this will help us run the HTML code, with the help of the Lifesaver. So I'm going to go to Chrome browser. You can use any browser that you want, but I prefer using Chrome. So we are waiting for Chrome to open, and after Chrome opening, I'm going to type 127.0.0. So here is it. I already have it here. So I'm going to press and go. And as you can see here, this is the folder I have that holds my demo HTML file that I showed you. So when I press on this, and it opens the folder to show the other content, the content in the folder, and this folder actually holds the index.html file. So when I press on this, then it's going to run the index.html. So guys, this is how you preview your HTML code in the browser with the help of Lifesaver. So the next I'm going to do here is I'm going to modify this a little bit and come back to the Lifesaver and see how it has updated itself. So I'm going to move back to the editor and close this tab. And over here I'm going to add a paragraph. Okay, so just a simple welcome text. Welcome to coding with. smartphone. And I'm going to save this. So after saving this, I'll move back to the browser and check, and as you can see, without reloading the browser, it actually display the saved content, or the modified content, the content I just added to the HTML text, HTML file. So this is how to actually use the live server to display your HTML code in the browser. It's actually nice and very simple. So guys, this is actually working for the latest version of the vheditor, which is this Visual Studio Code based mobile based software. So if you're using the older version, I will recommend that you upgrade to the latest version. Okay. And this brings us to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, comment, and also share. And give me a thumbs up if you want to see a more educated video like this. And don't forget to press on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post any other video. And in my next video, I'm going to actually go through how to use the Visual Studio Code app for mobile phone, of course. So I'm going to go through with a detailed information on how to actually use the app. So if you have any suggestion, please just drop it in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.